Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Frozen jewelry box is probably one of the most enchanting gifts for girls who adore the magical world of Arendelle, combining the joy of collecting treasured trinkets with the captivating allure of Elsa, Anna, and Olaf. This video will dive into the best Frozen jewelry boxes available, exploring their features, designs, and overall value, helping you find the perfect one for your little princess or for any Frozen-loving girl in your life. Number 5. MBC Unicorn Musical Box. It's more than just a music box, it's a piece of childhood magic, updated for a new generation. This beautiful box will bring joy for years to come. Available in several enchanting designs, it's the perfect gift for any young prince or princess. Choose from ballerinas, unicorns, mermaids, or butterflies. With 2 compartments, it offers plenty of room for all their favorite keepsakes. Rings, necklaces, bracelets, it's all safe and sound inside. Hear the enchanting melody of "Somewhere Over the Rainbow" every time it's opened. It's a delightful surprise that will always bring a smile. Made from high-quality, child-safe wood, it's designed to withstand years of use. It's a keepsake they'll treasure forever. No batteries needed. It's easy for little hands to wind up and play the music. Enjoy the timeless design and hassle-free operation. What we like? If you are looking for a timeless keepsake that will be treasured for years, this is the perfect choice. Its classic design and enchanting melody will delight children for generations. The durable wood construction ensures it can withstand years of use, making it a truly special gift for any occasion. What people say? The craftsmanship is impressive, the box is sturdy and well-made, ensuring it will last for years to come. Inside, there are multiple compartments that are perfectly sized for her little treasures, rings, bracelets, and even some of her favorite hair accessories. The soft lining protects her jewelry from scratches. Looks to be well made, and the "Somewhere Over the Rainbow" tune is a perfect fit. It is beautifully made and nice and sturdy. It plays a lovely soothing song. It really truly is a nice tone, not too loud or annoying. It's a nice size with plenty of room at the top and in the slide-out drawer at the bottom for storage for all her jewelry and trinkets. Number 4. Disney Frozen 2 Elsa Craft Kit. Get ready for a magical crafting experience. This kit has everything you need to create your own Frozen 2 jewelry box. It features Elsa on one side and Anna on the other, making it a perfect keepsake for any Frozen fan. With hundreds of sparkling gems and Frozen stickers, you can customize it to match your unique style. It has 3 drawers for storing your precious jewelry or other small treasures. Keep your valuables safe and organized. Simple and easy to follow instructions are included, making it perfect for kids aged 6 and up. It's the perfect gift for any child who loves Frozen 2 and enjoys arts and crafts. Give the gift of creativity. What we like? If your child loves arts and crafts and Frozen, this is a must-have. They can personalize their own jewelry box with sparkling gems and Frozen stickers. The 3 drawers provide ample space for storing all their treasures, making it both fun and functional. What people say? This Disney Frozen 2 Elsa Jewelry Box Craft Kit is a fantastic gift for young girls who love Frozen and enjoy crafting. It offers a fun and engaging activity that combines creativity, personalization, and practical use. Jewelry box came as pictured and expected. Fast shipping. Item as described and prompt shipping. The jewelry boxes were a hit for nieces. They were excited to decorate them. Number 3. Lego Disney Frozen 2 Elsa Jewelry Box. Create a stunning jewelry box fit for a queen. It's a fun and creative way to store your treasures. Keep your precious jewelry safe and sound inside the lockable drawer. And check your reflection in the included mirror. This set includes an Elsa mini doll and the magical knock figure. They're ready for imaginative play. Watch Elsa and Knock spin around in front of the mirror. It's a delightful surprise. It makes a wonderful birthday or Christmas gift for any Frozen fan. It's a beautiful and functional keepsake. Remove Elsa and Knock and add them to your existing Lego Disney collection. The possibilities are endless. What we like? If you're searching for a unique and interactive gift, this Lego jewelry box is perfect. Kids can build their own box, complete with a lockable drawer and beloved Frozen characters. It's a fun and engaging activity that results in a beautiful and functional keepsake. What people say. She can keep it in her frozen jewelry box. It is something that she can use as a jewelry box, and she can also take it apart and use the Legos to build other things, too. The frozen theme of the kit and it being a jewelry box was instantly appealing to her, and she picked up on how they worked extremely quick. The companion iPad app is nice in case the instructions get lost, so she was able to follow along and see the pieces in each step, how they go together, and move on to the next. When the two locking Legos are moved, the drawer can slide out. However, the drawer won't slide all the way because it has hidden stoppers to prevent it from coming out. Highly recommend this Lego set for both its usefulness as a jewelry box and how beautiful it is. Number 2. Disney Encanto Musical Jewelry Box. It's the perfect gift for any Disney fan. This beautiful box plays enchanting music and is perfect for storing precious treasures. Watch it spin and listen to the magical melodies. It's a delightful addition to any girl's room. It features beloved Disney princesses. Your little one will love having their favorite characters close by. It's more than just a pretty box, it's a safe place to keep cherished jewelry and small trinkets. Give the gift of magic and wonder. This musical jewelry box is sure to bring joy for years to come. It's made with care and attention to detail. You can trust that it will last. What we like. If you want a musical jewelry box with a magical twist, this one is perfect. The spinning figures add an extra element of fun, and the multiple characters from popular Disney movies will appeal to a wide range of children. It's a delightful gift that combines music and enchanting visuals. What people say. Great quality and great design. This jewelry box is great for little kids. My 6-year-old received this as a birthday gift and was so excited that it plays music and spins. Classic look. Well made. Number 1. Love her Harry Potter jewelry set. Get ready to reveal this enchanting 6-piece jewelry box set. It's filled with rings, bracelets, and hair clips, perfect for any young witch or wizard. Inspired by Harry Potter, this costume jewelry is adorned with magical snowflakes and winter motifs. It will make your little one feel like a true princess from Hogwarts. With 2 rings and 2 bead bracelets, she can mix and match to create her own unique magical look. They're perfect for imaginative play and dressing up. This jewelry set encourages creative thinking and problem solving. She can experiment with different styles and share the fun with her friends. Made with safe, non-toxic materials, it's durable enough for all-day wear. You can rest assured knowing it's gentle on her skin and won't cause any harm. This item comes perfectly packaged for online sales, ensuring it arrives in perfect condition. Get ready for magical fun. What we like. If you're looking for a fun and affordable jewelry set for imaginative play, this is a great option. The safe, non-toxic materials ensure worry-free playtime, while the various pieces encourage creative expression and role-playing. It's a perfect gift for children who love to dress up and play pretend. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.